When the temperature drops and your heater stops, call Hutchinson, and call fast. Need financing for a new boiler, furnace, or water heater? We have a financing partner ready to get you the money fast so you can get your life back. Apply online or our dedicated loan officer will get you started with a phone call or a personal meeting at home or the branch near you. We want to make this easy for you, so all you have to do is call Hutchinson. 570-793-1344. There are many types of loans available. Personal loans or lines of credit, refinancing and mortgage-based lines of credit. Choose an option depending on what loan works best for you. The interest rates are low for all credit scores. Please call to apply. This is so easy, and you don't need to wait until your emergency situation either. Call us today and get your system upgrade in motion. In some cases, Energy Star models can save you so much in energy cost that the upgrade will offset all or part of your loan payment, and with generous government rebates, you would be surprised how affordable it can be. Please don't hesitate to call or text today, 570-793-1344. That's Hutchinson Mechanical, folks. Put us on speed dial.